Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to revise some key terms related to our topic energy. First term is chemical energy. Chemical energy that can be transferred in a chemical reaction. And some examples are burning fuel. Burning fuel is an example for a chemical energy. Chemical energy is a type of stored energy. Second key term is electrical energy. Electrical energy is energy that can be transferred from a battery or power supply. Next key term is heat. Heat is a thermal energy that is transferred from a hot object to a colder object. So, for heat, there should be a temperature difference, high temperature and low temperature. If there is the same temperature, then heat flow cannot be possible. So, if there is a heat, it means there is a temperature difference. Next keyword is light energy. Light energy is energy that can be transferred by a light source, and we need a material medium to transfer light energy. So, light energy is a type of energy which can be transferred in a medium. Next keyword is sound energy. Sound energy is energy that is transferred by a vibrating object making a noise. Example, a musical instruments. Thermal energy. Thermal energy is stored energy in an object due to its temperature. Actually, thermal energy is stored in the molecules of any object. That's why we cannot see thermal energy. This is law of conservation of energy. As per this law, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, only it changes its form. So, total energy of a system is constant. For example, if we supply 100 joule energy to a bulb, then 50 joule will be transferred to light and 50 will be wasted as heat. But total input and output will be same. So that is called law of conservation of energy. This is a Sankey diagram. Sankey diagram is a diagrammatic representation of input energy, output energy of a system. Through the diagram, we can show that how much energy we have supplied and how much energy is getting used up. Used up in for useful thing and for as a waste also. By looking the thickness of the arrow, we can understand that how much energy, what is the amount of energy in that particular section. For example, if you see in this one, 100 joule energy is input energy, and among that 75 joule is useful for light, and then 25 joule is waste as heat. So if we see the thickness of the arrow, thickness of the arrow is more for light and it is less for heat. So without seeing the numeric value also, by seeing just the diagram, we can say that for light more energy has been used and for heat less energy. So thickness of the arrow in a Sankey diagram represents the amount of energy. Next key term is renewable energy sources. What is renewable energy source? Sources that can be replaced quickly in natural process, that are called renewable energy sources. Next is fossil fuels. What is fossil fuel? Fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas made in the ground over millions of years from dead organisms. These are known as fossil fuels. To form fossil fuels, we need a very high temperature and pressure. Fossil fuels are the fuels which can be replenished after some time. So that's why we are moving towards another sources of energy which can stay for longer time. That's why fossil fuels are known as non-renewable energy sources. Means sources that cannot be replaced quickly. Means we cannot make it again because it takes that much time. It takes millions of years. This is a question. Heat is transferred in each of the following processes. State in which of them the heat is a useful energy output and in which it is waste. And the first option is cooking food in a microwave oven. Here, as you know, that in oven we use heat to cook food. So here heat is a useful energy, and in electric light we know that light is actually the useful thing and heat is a waste over there. So when we compare both, cooking food in a microwave oven, heat is a useful energy, whereas in electric light, heat is a waste energy. All of you note down these points and revise it for your examination. Thank you.